Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are going to talk about wooden decor and furniture ideas. So you believe you can't make your home fascinating by adding some wood home decor into it? If that's the case, then you have probably never seen a live edge acacia console table. Wood decor is easy to do and it needs almost no maintenance. If you want, you can take care of some crafts with your own hand. It will be fun and cheap. You don't always need to buy something new from the market. If you tighten your belt and find some wood scraps, you can easily work with your own wood decor do-it-yourself ideas. But what's the catch here? Working with wood home decor helps you in both cases, saving money and uplifting the look of your home. Try working on these projects and make a fresh change without any financial commitment. Apart from improving the look of your home, it will also improve your crafting abilities while making a modern hallmark in your home. So be innovative and great. There is something interesting to uplift the looks of your living space. Not to mention, wood home decor is a delight for you if you love working on decoration projects, which includes all things to finish the things. Helping you come over your latest obsession. Following, we are providing you some exquisite ideas related to wood decor. You can work on these if you want, or you can buy something relative from your local store. Types of wooden furniture and decor available in market. Although most of us prefer teak wood furniture for our homes, MDF and solid wood have also gained popularity in recent years due to their texture, durability, and affordability. Today, solid wood furniture is available in a variety of finishes to blend in with your home interior design theme. You can add a touch of countryside charm to your living area with a tastefully designed acacia wood sofa set burnished to perfection. Complete the look with a modish coffee table and a wooden stool. Number 1. Family dining table sets. Meal times are more fun when the whole family dines together. A wooden dining set would be perfect to lay the table for your family and even a couple of friends whenever they pay a visit. The wood makes the table and chairs sturdy, which is a must when you have a full course meal prepared for your party, especially if there are kids around. Number 2. Wooden beds. Wooden beds can complement both grand and minimalistic style home interior design. Choosing the right bed for your bedroom can make all the difference when there is a space crunch. But remember to take into account your home interior design scheme before you invest in one. Go for one that leaves enough room for moving around freely and yet lets you snuggle up comfortably at night. A queen-size wooden bed with a natural finish might just be the right choice for a room done in earthy hues. Number 3. Wood finish wardrobe. A bedside table with drawers would let you store anything you might want to keep in handy. And since I feel that every bedroom is incomplete without a wardrobe, I would suggest you opt for one in a matching color and finish to store your clothes and linens. Place a lamp next to the bed for all that midnight reading you need to get done. Number 4. Wooden accents. I love the way wooden accents enhance the aesthetic appeal of both minimalistic and ornamental home interior design themes. Although it has a splendidly earthy feel, wood looks equally impressive when crafted in styles that are trendy, classy, rustic, or quaint. Number 5. Mirrors with wooden frame. A mirror with a carved wooden frame, for example, would make for an ideal wall design accessory while adding to the overall charm of your foyer or living room and blending in perfectly with your home interior design. From simple side tables to exquisite canopy beds and quirky accents, wood can be transformed into anything you need to make your home interior design reflect your taste and preferences. How to maintain wooden furniture. However, despite its splendor, I can't help mentioning that the prospect of caring for my wooden furniture was quite daunting until I came across an article that listed a few tips in this regard. Wear and tear are unavoidable over time. However, you can cover scratches and stains with bottled shoe polish and felt tip pens respectively. Get a professional to polish your furniture at least once a year and it will always look good as new. Avoid placing your furniture in direct sunlight as it dries the wood. Also, cover the surface of your tables with a tablecloth or use coasters before placing anything hot on it. You can see we have collected some of the best ideas to help you give your home ultimate wood decor. So get your home the shabby chic look with some vintage country products. The wood home decor remains one of the most charming and popular looks around, so don't fall with. Following are some examples to get you started with.